Hello and welcome to Robotic HQ Overview. Robotic HQ is a completely web-based central hub with everything you need, including a dashboard, administration page, creating and monitoring processes. Processes are displayed as diagrams, allowing for better viewing and control. You can add process arguments as input information for your process. The error mode can help you handle unexpected errors. Additionally, you can create functions that are reusable in multiple processes. HQ isn't just for creating processes. You can also maintain your robot directly from the HQ by remotely updating the robot version and restarting the robot virtual machine. Also, you can track what the robot is doing using a real-time video monitoring tool. By defining custom KPIs, you can decide what you want to track and how you want to visualize your data. Documentation for each functionality is directly accessible from HQ. If you need assistance, you can access the community forum with just one click to get help. If you wish to explore Robotics Free Plan, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us. We would be delighted to hear from you.